YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. Hi, today we're going to go over a shoe that I just had come in, and it is Nike SB. Here's the box. I'm going to show you the box. Let you see the label. And this is a shoe that I wanted to get, and the price had dropped and I had to hurry up and jump on it. And this shoe is the Strawberry Cross. Yes, I got it from StockX. This is a 420 shoe as well. This shoe was supposed to came out during the situation with the worldwide virus going around. So they had put this shoe on hold. And I was never able to get it, and the price jumped up so high. And I snapped this for like I think $245. Got it for $245. I don't know, some of you guys might be like, that's not a deal. But shoot, if you would have seen what it was before, I thought it was a good deal anyway. But yeah, I hurried up and snagged it. It is brand new. It's got the translucent bottom. It's got like the strawberry, see a little pebbles on there, like a strawberry. So the shoe is unique, cool, nice. The insole is nice. I'll show you the insole. Loosen up these laces. But not a bad price I got it at, I didn't seem to think so. But it's been a lot of sales and things going on. It's one of the insoles. Isn't that cool? Pretty cool. If you're not really into SBs, you probably really wouldn't care or whatever. But most SBs come with a story. There's a storyline. There's a reason, you know, behind the shoe. And like I say, this is part of the 420. So if you want to know about 420, you can look back into the archives of my videos, or you could Google 420. So this comes with 2 extra sets of laces. So as you see, these are brand spanking new. And the thing about it is, the paper in the box looked like it hadn't been touched. I mean, literally, like the box hadn't been opened. So these are truly brand spanking new. Now Nike is coming out with some dunks, 2 SB dunks, Arctic Noise and the red ones, the all red ones. I don't think I'm going for the all red ones because it puts me in the mind of this shoe. It looks kind of like this shoe. Now the Arctic Noise I might go for, but the all red ones, had I not gotten this shoe, I would have definitely went for the all red ones. But since I got this shoe now, I don't know if I'll go for the all red ones or not. I don't really think so, but, or if I did, it would definitely be for trade bait, but I don't know. I'm pretty much happy and satisfied with what I have. So I'm like I said, I'm really loving the fact I'm getting a lot of shoes that I missed out on that I want. and getting these opportunities to cop them at a more reasonable price without necessarily breaking the bank. I'm really trying to see if I can do some good trades, find some good trades, so that way I will be spending less money. But I haven't really seen anything that, or I should say, the trade value, the trade situation isn't as nice as the price dropping and being able to purchase. You know, they want so much, so many pairs of shoes, you know. I'm not willing to give up a whole lot of quantity in my collection, but if the trade makes sense, I will do it. But it hasn't been making sense, so and I'm not that desperate for it. I could wait. You know, that's the key in this game. It's a waiting game. And it seems like Nike dumping out so many shoes now that maybe people's inventory is getting too big and they need to start getting rid of some stuff. I don't know, but either way, whatever is making the market go down, keep on coming down. Just keep on coming down, because I got quite a list of shoes that I want to reach back and get. So what you guys think? You like the strawberry Cos? I think they're pretty cool, pretty different. I don't have a whole lot of high SBs. I really like the lows better anyway, but like I say, this was a reach back from the rainbow box. This was the rainbow edition, so this is not that old. What, 2019, 2020, somewhere around up in there. But anyway, guys, what you think? Until next time, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified on my next video. Until then, this is Nikki Poo, and I'm out. Peace.